Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 1X and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, and now let's tap on languages and input. Click on languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. Now we've got only English, but in order to add new ones, simply click on add a language. And as you can see here, we've got the list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, this one, French. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to our list. But in order to set it as a main language, because we still have English, then simply tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. Let's wait a second. And as you can see, the whole menu changes to the chosen language. Let's get back and let me show you. As you can see, everything is in French. In order to get back to English, simply click on languages again, tap on English, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, it immediately changes. In order to remove the language, simply tap on this three dots icon, click on remove, and tap on French. Let's tap on this trash bin icon and click on OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your ALCATEL 1X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.